Echo, say hi. There, she said hi. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Now we're all proper. You're really gonna like these bloopers.
Echo, chill.
Okay, and scene.
That means you're ending the scene.
I don't know.
That doesn't mean you're starting it. Echo, say hi. What is it?
Hi guys, it's me, Brian.
Hi, Amber.
Pop quiz.
I know. That's Echo.
Yep, a little spoiled. So we just wanted to kind of touch base with you guys. I know we haven't been posting a lot of videos over the last 3 weeks since we've actually gone live, but we want to exactly give a preview of what's to come in the next probably 6 to 8 videos. Would you like to share? I'm just kidding. So, we are completely done with our Hawaiian videos that we've created. I'm about to post them. So there's going to be 2 3-part series. The first one's going to be the Aulani luau that we went to. And then the other one's going to be the USS Missouri and Pearl Harbor. So, just want to touch base on that.
We're still doing the contest. I don't think anybody's really
No.
doing it. Please like and share. Right, Echo? Tell your friends. I know we're not posting a lot, but it's hard. We're trying to post more.
Yeah. Why are you so awkward?
I'm not awkward, but thank you.
No, so we have a couple ideas in mind for videos in the near future. It's just with us working, I work nights, so it's kind of hard to edit and all that kind of stuff all the time. But we plan on doing a couple videos. We have one that we went to a Nebraska Cornhusker game, so that's going to be exciting to post.
We have a haunted video coming up.
Yeah, we did an exploration video. That was fun.
Yeah.
It was kind of a haunted trip. That was fun. It was kind of spooky but fun. So if you like that kind of stuff, we would love to do a 3 a.m. challenge with anybody. If you guys are interested in doing that.
Or if you guys have any ideas of where to go. You guys know that we live in Nebraska, so anywhere kind of close to us. Or if you want to, like he said, do something together, we're happy to do that and meet new people and explore.
And we really want to do a 3 a.m. at Villisca Murder House. So anyone who's familiar with living in Iowa and Nebraska, and actually probably anywhere in the Midwest, the Villisca Murder House is one of the places. It's an axe murder place, kind of like what's her name, Abby, whatever.
Lizzie Borden.
Yeah, Lizzie Borden, that one. But I don't know the full story about that, so we'll have to do some research and really want to coordinate with people so we can go, because it does cost I think like $600 for us to go.
I think we need like 10 people, so if we can get at least 10 other vloggers or YouTubers, then we can do that. That would be something that's fun.
Exactly. So, yeah. So think what else?
Besides the contest going on, tell your friends.
Echo's trying to get out of the room. We have it shut.
Tell your friends about us. We like meeting new people. If you see us out in the street or something, come say hi. I know we're at a low subscriber rate right now, which is fine. It's just the fact that people are actually watching us and subscribing that we're excited about. So if you see this video and say hi to us, that's totally fine. If you have friends and family that like what we do, definitely share.
Exactly.
We haven't had any really comments lately or anything. We do want to hear your guys' opinions and what you like, what you don't like, things like that.
Yeah, we're kind of experimenting with the different kind of filming techniques and all that kind of stuff. So we're still trying it out. We are watching a lot of YouTube ourselves to kind of see how other people are kind of doing, but not copy them, but kind of have our own unique ideas. So
I think also we're still debating whether or not to keep the videos at 20 minutes, 25, 30 minutes. So it's up to you guys. You guys need to let us know what you like seeing, if you want to stay watching a channel that's really interesting for 30 minutes or longer, or if you want 20 minutes and shorter.
Ooh, I just thought about this. So we're planning on going to IKEA soon, so that's going to be fun. Doing an IKEA video, because a lot of people don't know what IKEA is. Or they do. We actually went to IKEA in Europe when we lived in Italy. That was fun. It was kind of cool.
We got lost a couple times.
Shoot, we got lost in Minnesota in that one.
Yeah, that's
Somehow we ended up downstairs. We didn't remember how we got downstairs.
We don't know where we're going most of the times anyways. We just kind of go with the flow. That's like how we're doing our YouTube channel. We're just going with it and see how people like it, and if they like us, things like that. Like we said, we don't like negative comments or anything. We try not to do it to each other. Hopefully you don't see those in the videos. There are a lot more fun times than what there are upset and angry times at each other.
At least on camera, we're excited and happy.
I know in a lot of the Hawaiian videos we were so tired.
We were tired, and I think the one thing about that we didn't show a lot was that traffic was horrid. It was just, but not trying to be negative, it was just horrid. So that kind of caused you just to be like really exhausted. So by the time you got out of the car and you started walking around, stretching out after being in the vehicle for an hour, traveling 6 miles, the last thing you wanted to do was go to the beach and swim. But we had fun. I mean, the whole time it was great. We do have a beach day thing, but I don't know if I want to post it. Because it's just us at the beach.
And what do you guys want to see? What, like, we just need to know what you guys like, what you don't like, what the length of the video time is. We're trying to do just different adventures, whether it be hanging out with each other, having a date night, just going out to the park, something like that. Because everything you can do is an adventure. You don't have to go out and travel the world in order to get that adventure. And especially with us just being us two for the past 13 years, it's a little hard to get those little adventure times. So
yeah, we're
just kind of exploring with you guys and see, what's out there and what's good, and getting to know people and things like that.
Yeah, we also plan on, I think, doing some Albuquerque visits too, and putting that up on there. Mm-hmm. Anyone who's ever been to Albuquerque, Old Town's amazing, so we plan on doing that too. But no, we're just enjoying life, trying to at least, just trying to have fun. So if you have any friends who like to watch YouTube, kind of get a laugh or whatever, bring it to our channel.
We're dorky at times. Some of the edits don't make it, and I think we should just make a big ol' blooper. We did like 10 minutes at least before this video.
Yeah, right now the video is at 8 minutes and 16 seconds, at least this part is. But there's also 3 other parts that were lasting about a minute of us just being silly. So, I mean, it's just, we're still trying to get comfortable behind the camera, or in front of the camera.
But we're always goofy, like we're always having fun. And I think a lot of people don't see that either, so that's a good thing. I mean, there are times where we argue. Like, all the time. Just kidding. No, we don't argue that much.
When? No, we have fun. But we are hoping to increase our viewership with your help. So just, we are still working on the prizes for our, that contest we're doing. But, I don't know, maybe that was kind of premature as we kind of got started. But we're going to try to hopefully make more videos where we can actually post daily. With both of us working, it's kind of hard to do just because we don't have time. And then all this other stuff too. So we're hoping that we can increase our video count, increase our subscriber count.
But it's also something for you guys too, to get to know us and all that stuff. Like we said earlier, we want that friendship, but more of family oriented, of there's all these mail vlogs that people do and stuff, and we would love to do that too. Not saying that we're expecting that or anything. It's just getting to know you guys better and knowing your letters or anything like that that you write down. Like, we want to know that kind of stuff. We want to enjoy it with you guys as well. You guys are also on this adventure with us.
And we are thinking about selling our house here pretty soon. So you'll be on that adventure too, watching us pull our hair out. At least
Again.
I don't have a lot of hair. But that's going to be fun, just 'cause that's an adventure. We do live in Nebraska, but our goal is to get back down to Florida or wherever else.
I don't think we ever talked about us having a paranormal group either.
No.
So we definitely like the haunted, paranormal type things like that. We had it for 10 years because we were working so much. It was hard to put our heart and soul into it. So now with this vlogging and YouTube, this is what we want to do. And it's not just paranormal. We can tip our toe in anything that we want to do.
Well, our channel is really going to be about entertainment. What can we do to entertain you?
And bring the best content.
Entertain ourselves.
We entertain ourselves a lot, even if it's just
scaring the crap out of each other.
Random stuff.
I mean, we wanted to do some prank videos, but we're not pranksters, so we're trying to figure out how that's going to work. But I think that'd be kind of fun. We got this one idea from Faye's Rug about the little BB things that blow up with water, and I just want to do that to my parents, just because.
But what if they're watching this video? Then they know
Hi,
to
Dad.
expect it, but not know when to expect it.
Is it going to be in your bathtub? Is it going to be in your pool?
Or in the great room? I mean, we don't know.
But I think it'll be fun. I don't want to clean it up though, so that's the rule. If I do a prank, I'm not cleaning it up.
Same.
There. No, but honestly though, comment on our channel, comment on the videos, give us some ideas. If you live in Omaha, if you live in Nebraska, if you live in Iowa, Missouri, South Dakota, I think we're close enough to that. If you want to meet up and shoot a video, there's a couple of haunted woods that I want to go to that we can do kind of like an exploration video.
And we do have our equipment still. So if you're a paranormal group and want to do something with us too, that would be awesome. We have our equipment. We have a K2 meter, we have an EMF, we have recorders, we have IR cameras. We have a lot of things that could be useful because we did have a paranormal group and we are into that kind of stuff. And it's not just for Halloween.
No.
We investigated in Italy, we investigated in California, we investigated in New Mexico, we investigated here in Nebraska. What were other? I don't remember other places.
We actually investigated the Queen Mary, and that was cool. We went to St. Augustine.
We went to a lot of places that weren't allowed to go. Like, we were allowed to go in the pool before everything happened. So the guy that we had was really cool. I don't know if we have that video or not, because
I don't think so.
we can probably post something of it, or at least pictures or something.
Well, that's the other thing too. We have videos of when we went to Egypt and all that kind of stuff that we had before we started this. So it is a very younger us, like much younger, probably about.
But yeah, but if you guys want to see that kind of stuff, I mean, we went to Egypt, we went to Greece, we went to Malta, we went to Spain. We went to a lot of places when we lived in Italy. So if that's something you want to see, like this video and comment below if you want to see anything like that, or comment on any of the other videos. Give us ideas, give us things that you guys want to see, if you want it longer, shorter, anything like that. Like, we're up to it because we're new. We're kind of exploring options and things, and we want you guys to be happy with us and what we do. So we all kind of want to get along together. We all want to have that. Okay.
Rock out.
That works. Well, we have to do that thing from Hawaii still. I have a small hand, so.
Yep. So with all of that,
So we just kept rambling on about.
I know, it's a rambling video. That might be our title, the rambling video.
Well, I hope they break it the whole way through.
Ooh, no, I don't know. But yeah, we gotta run some errands. We're not gonna take you with us just because it's not gonna be that fun.
I mean, we could, but I don't know if it's gonna be that fun stuff. I mean, we could show you around Nebraska if that's something too.
We'll probably take you guys out tomorrow. There's a place called Pizza Ranch that we're going to for my
Pizza machine.
But yeah, Pizza Machine. There's a place called Pizza Ranch here, but we're not going there. But we are going to the Pizza Machine. So it's like an arcade, like Dave and Buster's, but with but more geared for kids. So we go do that. We will. It's our nephew, my brother's son, but our nephew. It's his birthday tomorrow, or at least we're celebrating his birthday tomorrow. So, but we can take this out with us and shoot all that kind of stuff. Show you the nice buffet that they have there, and all that.
Yeah. So like, share, subscribe, comment. What else?
We're also on Instagram, ETA Echo Travel Adventures. That's a long name.
Yeah, that's for that. I'm trying to keep up with that. We each have a Twitter, so you can always talk to us on Twitter. ETA Amber and ETA Brian.
Well, no, it's Brian _ETA.
And
but it's also in the description down below.
Okay, so the video stopped recording. I guess we were talking too long.
Yeah, I broke it. Just kidding. So I don't even know where it cut off. But to contact us, it's down below. We're also going to put somewhere, I don't know, I'm trying to figure out how to do it, but put annotation of our video, our challenge video that we have posted.
Our Twitter, ETA Amber.
Brian _ETA.
And then we also have an Instagram. Which
ETA Echo Travel Adventures.
I'm trying to keep up with it. Let me know what you want to see, if things like that. If you want everything posted of when we post a video, I can put it on Twitter and Instagram. I just need to know.
Boom. So yes. So that's it. Before that camera cuts off again. So we'll see you guys later.
Bye guys. We'll see you sometime.